In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete transaction history in Wise. If you're looking to tidy up your timeline or keep certain purchases out of sight, Wise lets you hide individual transactions so they no longer appear in your main list. Keep in mind this action hides activity from your view in the app. It doesn't erase records from Wise or from statements you might download later. With that context, let's walk through it clearly and carefully. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. From the main screen, head to the Home tab. This is the hub where your balances, cards, and recent transactions are summarized. If you were previously browsing other sections, returning to Home gives you the quickest path to your full activity list. Next, look for the Transactions area and tap See All. This expands your history so you can view every transaction tied to your account. Transactions are usually listed by date, newest first, so a recent charge will be near the top. If you're working through an older payment, scroll until you find the one you want to remove from your everyday view. Once you've located it, tap the transaction to open its details page. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct item. Check the amount, date, and any available merchant info. Hiding is applied one transaction at a time, so it's worth verifying you've got the right one before you proceed. On the transaction details screen, tap the three dots. This opens a small menu with additional options. Choose Hide this activity. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and approve. The transaction will disappear from your visible history on the main list, helping you keep your timeline uncluttered and more private. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. Hidden activity is removed from your immediate view, but it isn't permanently deleted from Wise's systems. It may still appear on exports or formal statements, and other account holders on shared profiles could still have access depending on their permissions. If you don't see the Hide this activity option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and try again on the Home tab. You can repeat this process for as many transactions as you like. That's all there is to it. Open the Wise app, go to Home, view all transactions, select the one you want, tap the three dots, and hide the activity. This simple routine helps you keep your history streamlined and your day-to-day view focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and take care.